Hey guys, it's Emily from the Couples Workshop. This week's quick tip is understanding the basics of change. So, as you look at this graphic, you see three gears: emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. The biggest thing I want you to take from this video is that they are gears. So, as you tweak one, that's going to change the whole system. An example is if you are feeling anxious. If you just focus on trying to change those emotions and it's not quite working for you, because that's really hard to do, try to acknowledge those thoughts that go with it and the behaviors that are tied to your feelings of anxiety. If you can start to tweak one of those other gears, it can directly then impact the emotions that go with it.